This Queens Pier was built in 1953, which was the second Queens Pier in Hong Kong. It was a public ceremonial pier in Edinburgh Place Central, facing Victoria Harbour. It had been the landing place for 6 governors of Hong Kong upon their arrival. In 2007, the pier was assessed to be a Grade 1 historic building. The pier witnessed the rapid economic development and changes in Hong Kong. It was designed in a modern utilitarian style. The pier was considered as an integral part of ceremonial cluster of the City Hall and Edinburgh Place. It kept its modern utilitarian style in the 1950s since then. With its location in Central, it was highly accessible and became the popular place for gathering and leisure activities. However, in April 2007, the pier was officially closed by the government in order to facilitate the Central and Wan Chai reclamation, so as to solve the traffic congestion problem on Hong Kong Island. The pier was soon demolished in the same year. This resulted in fierce opposition by the conservationists, who carried over their campaign to preserve the landmark. Some protesters even went on a hunger strike to voice their dissatisfaction towards the government's decision. In fact, Queens Pier was the collective memory of most Hong Kong people. The demolition of the pier inevitably resulted in great opposition in the society. In what ways should the government strive to balance between urban development and conserving our historical heritage in the future? Can you suggest some ways?